It's too much. I look like a joker. कर दिया काम खराब. Ouch. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you are new here, my name is BIRANG. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a challenge video. So there's this challenge going on all over the social media, which is all about one dip challenge. तो वन डिप का मतलब है कि सपोज कोई फाउंडेशन ले रहे हो तो यू जस्ट नीड टू यूज़ द वन पंप ऑफ दैट फाउंडेशन फॉर योर एंटायर मेकअप एंड यू हैव टू डू नो चीटिंग. I am nervous but I'm really excited कि कैसा होने वाला. I promise I won't be doing any cheating. So I am so excited for this video. So without wasting the time, let's get into the video. But before moving forward, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell icon. So let's begin. I'm going to first start off with my favorite moisturizer. So I'm using Clean and Clear Morning Burst Hydrating Gel Moisturizer. Alright, so this is how much I'm going to use it. Now मैं use करने वाली हूँ. Well, it's not bad. I mean, I really love to put too much of moisturizer on my face, and I think this is not enough because it has not even covered my neck, and my hands are already so dry. Okay, I'm nervous. I'm seriously very nervous. I'm telling you guys. Alright, let's move on to the primer. So this is a sample primer which I'm going to use. Very little bit. You guys can see it. I am... Okay, this much. I mean, seriously, it's very less. बहुत थोड़ा है, seriously. I'm just going to dab it into my skin. For sure, इससे मेरा पूरा face covered नहीं हुआ है. बहुत कम प्रोडक्ट था. इतना कम प्राइमर मैं बिल्कुल नहीं लेती. So I'm going to use a Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation. It's one of my favorite, and why I'm using this because this can actually cover my entire face and my neck area with one pump. So I'm just going to shake it well so that more product can pump out. See, I'm not cheating, okay? Relax. Okay, that's it. I swear, like on normal days, the one pump which comes out is more than this. Very less, honestly. With my fingers, I'll put it on my entire face. Hopefully it covers my face. मैं थोड़ा बाद के लिए बचा के रख रही हूँ, just in case मुझे कुछ even out लगा तो मैं वहाँ पे लगा लूँगी. So I'm just putting this much, and then I am not sure whether I should use a beauty blender or I should use a brush or I should use my fingers. I think let's go with beauty blender. Let's start. I'm nervous. Oh nice, so far so good. Well done Preet, I'm happy. I am absolutely in love with this foundation. Like सिर्फ एक पंप लिया, and can you just see the difference? Like one pump, only one pump guys. You don't need too much of foundation, so this foundation is perfect. Yoo-hoo! Now let's move on to a concealer part. So for concealer today I am going to be using a CoverGirl concealer. अच्छे से I'm going to take that product in one tip, I should say, and there you go. So here, now why I'm using this concealer because इसका जो brush है ना, that is kind of thick and I think ये ज़्यादा product gather करता है. So that's why I'm using this concealer today. And there you go. I know it's going to cover my face. Why? Because I've been using this concealer from so long and I see that it gathers too much of product. Using a beauty blender to blend this out. And for loose powder today I'm going to be using a Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade light medium. Just tap 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 so that it gathers lots and lots of product. So just tap 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 tap. Okay. Oh my god, it's so much of product here. So I don't know whether you guys can see it or not, but it's too much of product. And I'm going to dip this blender into this ताकि ये बहुत सारा product gather करे. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use. Whew. Oh my god, like I seriously don't use this much of product. It's too much. I hope I'm not messing up with my makeup. I don't know why I'm getting that feeling. Oh my god, it's seriously too much of product. और मेरी आँख के अंदर भी चला गया. It's too much. I look like a joker. It's too much. Now let's move on to a contour part. So for contour today I'm using Infallible Long Wear Shaping Stick from L'Oreal Paris. जितना ज़्यादा हो सकता है ले लो. Okay, that's it. So applying it here, little bit here, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे, and then little bit on my nose. This was definitely less. मैं इससे ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ, ये बहुत कम था. So I'm using a contour brush to blend it out. I'm going to use this ultimate glow glitter palette by Real Her. All right. Oh my god, it's too much of product. So I'm going to start with my jawline. Just a little bit here and then a little bit here. Shit, I forgot my nose. I think इसमें अब इतना product बचा नहीं है. Let's just try. Okay, now I'm going to use the same palette for my blush. So I'm using this blush brush and taking as much as product जो मैं इस पे ले सकती हूँ. So just rolling it out ताकि ये बहुत सारा product ले ले. This is definitely too much. Not today. For my brows, I cannot use an eyebrow pencil just because of the rule कि हम एक ही बार use कर सकते हैं. So what I'm gonna do is I have my James Charles palette here and इसमें एक brown shade है. I'm going to use that. So this is the color which I'm going to use. I'm going to use this eyebrow brush and then I'll take the product, ये जो eyeshadow इसमें लूँगी, and then I'm going to do my eyebrows with that. And remember the rule, I can only take once. Okay, I have it. Oh my god, I just noticed that this was the wrong shade. And this is a dark brown. I was definitely not going with my eyebrows. I don't know whether you guys can see it or not, but this is so different than what is the color of my eyebrow. It looks so different. कर दिया काम खराब. So eyes के makeup के लिए मैं आज ये palette use कर रही हूँ Aura and Out, which is from ColourPop Cosmetics. I also have a James Charles palette here with me, so I might use this palette, taking इस brush पे जितना product आ सके. I'm nervous. It is too much of product. यहाँ अब थोड़ा सा इधर. मैंने इतना प्रोडक्ट ले लिया कि लिटरली फॉल आउट हो रहा है. Go slow so that it doesn't ruins my makeup. Same thing here. Shit, I've literally taken too much of product. Next color which I'm going to take is this little shimmery shinish color. To use my finger, so मैं अपनी finger पे जितना ले सकती हूँ I'll take that. Okay, this much. So I'm going to put this here. Now I'm going to take the forest green color from the James Charles palette, and then I will be putting it on the outer corners of my eyes. So I'm taking this forest green color from the James Charles palette. Okay, now here and here, and then I'm also going to put it a little bit on the lower lash line. I'll start blending this color with my previous glitter color. Now for mascara, I'm going to use the Lily Lashes mascara in XXX. So just going to take too much of product into this spoolie. Okay, here we go. Can you just see that? What just I did? Okay, I'm going to fix it. Use a highlighter brush. So taking I definitely use more highlighter than this. I love highlighter. Like for me, the best part of makeup is using a highlighter. I just love using highlighters. And I'm going to apply the eyelashes. For last part, for lipstick, I'm going to use this MAC lipstick in the shade A Little Tamed. For the last part, I'm going to be using a makeup setting spray from NYX Cosmetics. Alright guys, so that's my final look, and I think the makeup turned out pretty well. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one dip challenge makeup with me. I really loved creating this. I love creating the look, and I really love the outcome. And that was all about today's video. So I am going out now, but make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon, and also give a big thumbs up to this video. And also don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles, which are mentioned down below. So I'm going to catch you guys soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.